Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, students, previously I have explained you the chapter The Fun They Had, that is the Beehive. So, on Wednesday I had explained you the chapter and I had completed my explanation part, and I told you that today means in the next week on Monday I will be taking your the question answers or discussing the question answers with you. So now I just want to like a quick look at the chapter. Like I have written at a glance. The first one means it is a summary. The first one, Margie, a girl of 11 years, make a diary entry about 13-year-old Tommy finding a hard book belonging to distant past in the attic of his room. Second, this book has all the stories printed on paper and its pages have turned yellow and wrinkled due to age. Third, Tommy calls this book a waste because it is of no use. After one reads it, Margie is of the same opinion, as I have told you that they are in the future and they are in 2157 year. So they don't have any book which contains of pages. They have the big screen and a black screen on which the words are like moving. So they are learning on a e-books they have. Now the fourth one is Tommy and Margie get excited when they find that the book is about school that existed centuries ago. Fifth, these schools were run in a separate building where children used to go. The classroom contained a number of students of the same group. The students had a person as a teacher who taught them collectively. Tommy and Margie are surprised to note that the teacher asked questions to the students and gave them homework too. Now, eighth, Margie wants to read more of the book, but first she has to learn with her mechanical teacher whose level is too advanced of her. And I told you in the previous lecture that who was a mechanical teacher means where Margie has her school that was next to her bedroom, and there was a mechanical teacher who was teaching them. So Margie wants to read more of the book, but first she has to learn with her mechanical teacher whose level is too advanced of her. So she always hated school, but now she hated it more. The county inspector came to repair the mechanical teacher so that its level could match the level of hers. The 10th one, Margie has no interest in doing homework. She wants that the county inspector takes the mechanical teacher away but is again before her in an hour. मीन्स काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने क्या किया था, उस जो 1 आवर के अंदर ही उन्होंने उसका जो मैकेनिकल टीचर थे उन्होंने फिर से रिपेयर कर दिया, और जो ज्योग्राफी सेक्शन था जो 10 टाइम्स हायर था मार्गी के लेवल से, उसको उन्होंने 10 टाइम्स स्लो कर दिया. नाउ इट इज़ अप टू मार्गीज लेवल. Now the mechanical teacher asks for Margie's homework, but her mind is busy thinking about the school of the past, which she finds much better than today as it is offered great fun of the students. So students, this why I have again gone with the summary, because so that you will be like you all come to know every time that this is the story, and from these glance means from these points, why I have given these points, so that now when I am discussing the answers you can easily find out the answers from these points, and you can write down the answer in your own words. So these are the 11 points which I have given you, and these 11 points, students, you are helping you out in finding the answers as well as writing down the answers in your rough copy or in any fair copy. You can have both of them. So now we'll start with the discussion of the answers of the chapter. So there are 4 parts. Today I will be discussing 2 parts, and next 2 parts I will be discussing tomorrow, so that you can write down the answers in your own words in any of the copy. So students, the first is answer these questions in few words or a couple of sentences each. So these questions can come of 1 marks. like अगर मैंने आपको एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ दिया और उस फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में और उसी में आपको ये मैंने 4 क्वेश्चंस दे दिए, यू कैन ईजिली राइट डाउन द आंसर्स एंड you can write down the answer in your own words. So the first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? So Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 year old. So I can repeat the answer. You can write it in a rough copy anywhere. The first answer is Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 year old. That tells you in the first page of the first paragraph of the chapter. Now the second one, what did Margie write in her diary? So students, I guess in the first paragraph it is written that Margie wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. ठीक है, ये आपको याद है फर्स्ट पेज में. इफ़ यू हैव अ बुक और इफ़ यू हैव अ प्रीवियस लेक्चर वीडियो विथ यू of Beehive, when I have started, I have given you the I have gone through the pages. I have given you the pages of the book also. So it was written that it is the year 2157. Margie wrote a diary that today Tommy found a real book. So student, today Tommy found a real book should be in a inverted comma. So आपको उससे जो पूरा उन्होंने जो मेन पॉइंट है उसको आपको इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखना है. सो मार्गी wrote in her diary, comma, double inverted comma open, and you can write down, today Tommy found a real book, full stop, again inverted comma closed. Third question, had Margie ever seen a book before? So what is the answer? No, Margie had never seen a book before. And you all know that why? Because they all are living in a future and they don't have any book with the pages. They have a big screen, black screen, where the words are moving on it, and they have a e-book. So the answer, the one line answer should be there. No, Margie had never seen a book before. Now the fourth, what things about the book did she find strange? Now this can be little bit long answer, not a very long answer, it is a 2 or 3 line answer it could be. If I say what things about the book did she find strange? So what did Margie and Tommy had found it? Like Margie found it strange that the words in the book did not move the way they did on the TV or a computer screen. It was also strange for them that the words on the pages always remained the same as the first time they were read, and they were in a yellow, and that book contained the pages and it was a yellow and crinkly also. Means वो सिकुड़ा हुआ था, shrink किया हुआ था, and the words are not moving in that pages. Why? Because they have a big screen and they have a e-book where the big screen contains words that were moving. So that was a very strange for both of them, Margie as well as Tommy. But you have to write about the what things about the book did she find strange about the Margie. So the answer could be, Margie found it strange that the words in the book did not move the way it did on the computer screen, and it was also strange that the words on a page always remained the same as the first time they were read, and the page contained the pages of yellow and crinkly. Now the fifth answer, what do you think a टेली बुक इज़? सो आपको अभी तक तो पता ही चल गया होगा कि टेली बुक होती क्या है. जैसे अभी आप पढ़ रहे हो, मीन्स बस ये है कि बुक्स यहाँ पर क्या है, वीडियो चल रहा है बट द वर्ड्स आर नॉट मूविंग. We are taking a screenshot or we are making the notes or whatever we are doing, that is on the video. But what they have, what according to the chapter, that is what do you think a टेली book is? So the answer could be, a टेली book is a type of book that is displayed on the television screen. So you all have also a book on a screen. So a टेली book is a type of book that is displayed on the television screen. Now the sixth answer, where was Margie's school and did she have any classmate? सो आपको तो पता ही उसका स्कूल कहाँ था और उसके क्लासमेट्स कौन कौन थे या नहीं थे. सो मार्गीज स्कूल वॉज इन हर होम इट सेल्फ राइट नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम. And full stop. Now you can write down the second part, that is no, she didn't have any classmate. That I told you, that is a mechanical teacher who teaches them. So answer is Margie's school was in her home itself right next to her bedroom. No, she didn't have any classmate. Now the seventh one, what subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. So answer is Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Now the second question, second part of the chapter, question of the chapter. Answer the following with reference to the story. Now see students, what I was talking about the pattern, that this is the pattern which I was talking about. एक आपका एक सेंटेंस दे दिया यहाँ पर, तो एक सेंटेंस दिया, एक पूरा सेंटेंस दिया. मे बी we can give you a one paragraph or a 2-3 line and you have to write and according to that paragraph we will make 4 or 3 questions and you have to write down the answer. So the first is I wouldn't throw it away. Now who says these words? Do you remember that? Who says the word that I wouldn't throw it away? So what was the answer? Tommy said these words. Now the second one, what does it refer to? So it refers to the television screen on which one can read a million book. तो टॉमी ने क्या बोला था? I wouldn't throw it away. And what is that it refers? It refers to the television screen on which one can read a million books. जब उसने ये बोला था ना, this book is waste. Why? Because according to him one can read that book and they can throw it, but the e-books which they are having, he wouldn't throw it away. So the Tommy said these words, and the second one is it refers to the television screen on which one can read a million of books. Now the second one, third one, what is it being compared by the speaker? अब वो किस चीज़ को compare कर रहा है? So Tommy is comparing the telebooks to the real book in earlier times in which words were printed on paper. तो I wouldn't throw it away, यहीं से आपको पता चल रहा है कि क्या बोल रहा है वो. टॉमी बोल रहा है ना कि अब मेरे पास अगर मेरी ई बुक है, I am not going to throw it away. Why? Because it is containing millions of books, and that millions of books have a millions of pages, and it is a moving book. So I am not going to throw it away. But the book which they had found that was of a centuries ago book, that contains a crinkly and a yellow pages, and the words are not moving. So according to him and Margie, that is a waste of that is a totally wasting. So the answer of the third one is, was it being compared by the speaker? So Tommy is here, the speaker is, who is a speaker? Tommy. So now Tommy is saying, Tommy is comparing the telebooks to the real books in earlier times in which words were printed on paper. So he was comparing his e-book with the old book. Now the second question, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So आपको तो ये याद होगा 6th या 7th पैराग्राफ में जब मार्गी ने बोला था, सॉरी द नेम वॉज मार्गी, तो मार्गी ने क्या बोला था कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव परमिशन टू एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग टू एंटर इन माई रूम. So now what Tommy said, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Now the question is, who does they refer to? So the answer is, they refer to those students who studied in the old kind of school. So they had a teacher. Here means the students who studied in the old kind of a school. Now the second question is, what does regular mean here? तो आपको पता ही है यहाँ पर regular कौन है? Regular here refers to the mechanical teacher that Margie and Tommy had. रेगुलर भाई कौन हो सकता है? ह्यूमन बीइंग तो कभी रेगुलर हो भी नहीं सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग कि वो पूरे ईयर प्रेजेंट हो. इट माइट बी कि उनको कभी कुछ काम हो सकता है, दे गेट इल ऑल्सो, सो दे गेट एब्सेंट. बट मैकेनिकल टीचर नेवर गेट एब्सेंट. वो अगर एब्सेंट होता भी है तो क्या होता, वो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर उन्हें आकर उसको रिपेयर कर देते थे. तो he was always present. So here the regular here refers to the mechanical teacher that Margie and Tommy had. Now the next one, what is it contrasted with? Now what is it contrasted with means कैसे वो एक like I will tell you the answer first. The mechanical teacher is contrasted with the human teacher who taught the students in earlier टाइम. कॉन्ट्रास्टेड मतलब कि कैसे वो काउंटर करे, कैसे वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, वो किस चीज़ से कंपेयर कर रहा है. सो हेयर ही लाइक द मैकेनिकल टीचर इज कॉन्ट्रास्टेड मतलब कि वो किससे कंपेयर हो रहा है. द मैकेनिकल टीचर इज कॉन्ट्रास्टेड विद द ह्यूमन टीचर हु टॉट द स्टूडेंट्स इन अ अर्लियर टाइम in a same building under the same age group of the students. So the answer is the mechanical teacher is contrasted with the human teacher who taught the students in earlier times. So I am stopping my discussion here only. I guess for today you can have this chapter with yourself, and you can write down the answers by listening my voice video again and again. Or students, you can like I will like share something with you. I know you all are in a future generation school, you students, and you all have a Google. I'm not saying that don't go for Google. Go for Google, search the answers. You all will get the same answer or the same question, and you will get the answers of the question. But take the help of those answers. Don't write down the same answer. It is a very good opportunity and a better opportunity that you are getting so much time that you can learn and you can write down the answer in your own words. I'm not saying don't take the help of any Google or any other reference book. Take it, but write down the answer in your own words. So for today only, for today I'm stopping my discussion here, and tomorrow again I will be taking your third and the fourth part of the questions, and also going to give you 5 extra questions so that you can write it down. And whenever we have a Zoom, whenever we have a discussion or a classes with you all on Zoom, surely I will be taking your doubts part. And make sure that whenever I send my link with you, and I will tell you that tomorrow I have a class with you on Zoom, you should have a doubts with yourself. कहीं अपने doubts लिख लीजिएगा. I'm not going to take any new class on a Zoom unless and until जब तक आप अपने doubts clear ना कर लो. तो अपने डाउट्स को क्लियर करने के लिए कहीं पर लिख लीजिएगा. एंड whenever I have a classes on Zoom with you all, you can clear it with me on Zoom classes. So make it sure that you will write down the answers in your own words in any of the copy, whether it's a fair copy or a rough copy. So tomorrow we will meet again. Thank you class. Take care and bye bye.